Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks and we also talk about crypto. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. Well, it was a great day in the stock market. Most indexes were up about 0.5%, such as the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, and the Dow were up. But some of the hot stocks included Palantir. Palantir Technologies was up as much as 4%, 4.73. Advanced Micro Devices was up 5.11. And CoreWeave shares were up as much as 12% today. Also, NVIDIA shares were up as much as 3%, and Alphabet shares were up as much as 2%. So those were my top stocks. Let's go to the news on CoreWeave. Okay, here it is. CoreWeave shares jump after it starts VC fund to invest in AI companies. Okay, so CoreWeave shares jumped today over 12%, as you saw in my post. They are the cloud infrastructure company, which is one of the hottest IPOs of the year, and has launched a venture fund to invest in artificial intelligence startups. Okay, so not only CoreWeave is considered the largest publicly traded neo-cloud name, offers cloud computing service specific for AI workloads, such as providing for NVIDIA's GPUs and high-performance storage companies. It is newly announced CoreWeave Ventures fund will offer founders an array of capital investment models, provide access to CoreWeave's cloud platform. Okay, so we saw the shares today jump up as much as 12% in my post. If we look at the stock, it has been beaten down the last couple weeks. As you can see, that it was at a high as much as $148 per share. And this is just all a buying opportunity. If you've ever heard buying the dip, there's been opportunity for the last 30 days. Shares are down over 28%, but on today, shares jumping a little over 12%, 7% during regular trading, and then another 4%, 4.89% in after hours trading. So CoreWeave, one of the hottest stocks today, trading right around $100 per share. And mind you, they were invested by NVIDIA, so a great company, CoreWeave, backed by NVIDIA, opening a venture capitalist fund for more startups. All right. Also, after hours, Oracle. After hours today, Oracle share jumping over 29%. I believe they had a great earnings call, and after the earnings call, they jumped over 29%. It says here Oracle on pace to add $190 billion in value on blowout forecast. Oracle Corp is on track again for 190 to add $190 billion. Now, last week we heard Broadcom add another $90 billion customer. This week, Oracle adds $190 billion. So just almost twice as much. And so shares jump a little over 29% after hours on the news that Oracle is going to add $190 billion worth of value. All right, so that was the news. And let's now go to my portfolio. Okay, today's top stock is Palantir. Palantir shares were up as much as 4.93%. And again, Palantir shares were down for the last couple of weeks as well. So I hope you took advantage of Palantir. Again, the shares jumped today over 4.93% for a gain of $161 in my portfolio. Next up, Advanced Micro Devices. Lisa Su, CEO, shares jumped another 5.41%. Also, we talked about CoreWeave. CoreWeave shares jumping over 12%, okay, for a gain of $80. And NVIDIA, the company that backs CoreWeave, jumped 3.5%, okay? Now, we haven't even got the rate cut, okay, because we're looking for that rate cut. Today, I heard rumors it would be 25 or 50 basis points. All right, so that's about a 0.5% of a rate cut. That will impact shares like SoFi. If we look at SoFi today, shares are slightly down. Again, they are hovering around $25 a share, slightly down 0.39%, so not even a full percent. But SoFi was down today 0.39%. Apple, the big news of Apple today, they did release the new iPhone 17, okay, and the new iPhone watch and all the iPhone products set to release September 19th, okay, so, well, I guess pre-order September 19th, but again, Apple released new product in today's conference, World Developers Conference, released the Apple Air, I can't see the Apple iPhone Air. It's supposed to be the most lightweighted phone. All right. Also, shares today of SoundHound are slightly down 2.88%. Yesterday, those shares were up as much as 3 or 4%. So another buying opportunity for SoundHound. All right, and Delta Air shares were down slightly 2.22%. But again, opportunities if we get the rate cut, I can see SoFi shares going up 1% or 2. Okay, because SoFi, one of the hottest stocks, they do a lot of banking, financial products, and also, they have a loan platform. So it's almost like a software as a service, as well as a financial bank type stock. Okay, so I would not be surprised if SoFi, after next week's rate cut, uh, jumps another %or 2. All right, so these are some opportunities: Apple, SoFi, and SoundHound, some great stocks that may move next week. All right. The top stock again today, my portfolio was Palantir, but closely behind it was CoreWeave. CoreWeave shares today were up 12% on news of a backcourt venture VC fund to invest in AI startups. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I hope to see you in the next one.